One more question on sequence and series of past year papers. So here we have a question in front of us. Look at the question and try attempting it by yourself. Tell me the answer in the comment box along with level of difficulty. What do you think about the level of difficulty for this question? Easy, moderate, or hard? Tell me about that. Okay, look at the question. पहले खुद solve करो. Then see the solution video. First try it by yourself. Question is, if the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, you have the classification of this progression, arithmetic progression is 100. First n term is 100. Sum of next n term, मतलब क्या? a1 to an, the first n term, the sum is 100. Next n term कैसे होगा? So next first term क्या होगा? an plus 1, that is the next first term. Now next n term matlab you go till what? You go till next n term. That means an plus n. This should be clear to you. This is next n term. Are you understanding that? For example, first 10 terms. तो क्या बोलोगे? a1 to a10. Now next 10 terms मतलब क्या बोलोगे? a11 से start करोगे, right? a11 to a20. Yeah. First 10 term and next 10 term. I hope this example is clear. Okay, similarly, question says first n term is 100 and next n term is 300. Next n term sum is what? 300. So this is 300. Now this an plus n, this I can also write a 2n, n plus n is what? 2n, right? Yeah. So if I add this like this, add it over here, so I can use sum here also. That means a1 to an, sum of a1 to an is equal to 100, as well as a1 to here last an plus n plus n is 2n, to a 2n. This value is what? 100 plus 300. How much is that? 400. That sum is equal to 400. Are you getting this? That is 400. Yes? Okay. Now what else? Then find the ratio of the first term and the common difference. Fine. First term, let's assume the first term to be a and the common difference to be d. देखते हैं अब क्या होता है. So if that's the case, what is the formula for sum of n term? Sum of n term formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yeah. Now, as per the question, the first n term sum is equal to 100. So can I substitute this is equal to 100? Yeah. Now, if I simplify this further, what do I get? It's a common difference, not given. Number of terms is n. First term, again, not given. So let it be as it is. Now, next condition is sum of 2n terms, which we found. a1 to a2n. This is equal to what? 400. Did you understand the reason why? Look at this part of the solution. Yeah. So sum of 2n will be equal to 2n by 2 and 2a. First term will be the same. Instead of n, I will use 2n. Common difference is same because it's the same progression. And we got to the conclusion that a1 to a2n should be equal to 400. So let's write 400 here. Right? This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Now, if you simplify this, if you do 1 minus 2, minus तो ठीक नहीं रहेगा, 1 divided by 2 करते हैं, चलो 1 divided by 2. We need to simplify these two equations now and get rid of n. We only want a and d. Now, why am I using division? Because see, here you have multiplication. So it's better of using division so that I can get rid of n by 2 and n by 2 directly. Yeah. For example, if I divide this, तो क्या होगा? n by 2 I can cancel directly. 0, 0 I can cancel directly. Yeah. Here. So what do I have? I have the numerator as 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and denominator, this 2 is left. Okay, so 2 as it is, and then here you got 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d, right? That's equal to right hand side. When you cancel 0, you got only 1, and here you got 4. So 1 upon 4. All right, simplify further. Let's take this side, and here I can also cancel. This is 2, 2 2s are 4, then I can take this to the other side. So what do I get? I get like twice of 2a plus, solve करते रहो यार, solve करते रहो. See, conclusion आएगा, क्यों नहीं आएगा? I mean, you're using all correct way of solving the question, so you will reach to a conclusion. Okay, so don't stress much. Don't think that what is going to be the conclusion. How will you get rid of this n? ये कैसे करेंगे? देखते ना. Let's simplify this first. If I multiply 2 inside, what will I get? I get 4a plus this 2 and these 2d, and open the bracket also. So I get 2nd minus 2d equal to, here I get 2a and open the bracket this side. ये वाला bracket open करो. So you get what? Plus 2nd minus d. Now tell me one thing. Can't I cancel this plus 2n and plus 2nd here? We can, right? Same terms at left hand side, same term at right hand side. I can cancel that. And this is the way you are now done with n. You don't have n anymore. So let me take all a at same side and d at same side, other side. So 4a minus 2a is going to be 2a, and minus d, here this minus d will become plus d. So plus 2d minus d is going to be single d, right? Question said find the ratio of first term to the common ratio. Okay, so common ratio down leke jao. Then I don't need 2 this side, so I'll take 2 to the other side. It will go in denominator, and this will become what? 1 upon 2, and that's the answer, guys. That's the answer. Ratio of first term and common ratio. Common difference, not the common ratio. Common difference. Common ratio GP में होता है. Common difference. A by D is 1 upon 2. Yeah. So initially it looks scary, but if you get this rhythm, then you are coming to the conclusion. So don't rush much. I mean, don't worry much that how will I get rid of this n? क्या होगा? 3 वेरिएबल है, 2 इक्वेशन है, सॉल्व कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे? डेफिनेटली नहीं कर पाएंगे यार, because you need number of equation equal to number of variables to get individual values. But here they are not asking for individual. They are asking for ratio of 2 variables, first term and the common difference. That is possible. This is what I have explained you in linear equations also. Yeah, if you remember that 3 variable equations. नहीं याद है तो डेफिनेटली कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डर गो थ्रू नहीं किया है दोस्त, एक बार गो थ्रू करो. याद है? थैंक यू सो मच. You are doing good. Okay. Do we have this in the option? Yes, 1:2. Option number B is the answer. What do you think about the level of difficulty? It's not easy. It's not very hard. Some might find this between moderate to hard. I will mark it to be moderate as a student, because no difficult calculation. It's just that we have to have patience and write all the steps. There are no step marking. So not write all the steps, but go with the flow, and don't write all the steps. Don't write all the steps because it's not necessary. You're not going to get step marking in the exam. Yes? So this is it. Let's see the next question.